shut up. My ladies, it's a girls trip if you may, and the airport looks so good. I will reveal my destination in a bit. Maybe this is the last international trip before the year ends, or maybe not, who knows. But travel with Wims again. Be a vacation if we don't do a place of a McDonald's. Literally went on the last call to get into the flight because of some McDonald's. What is the trip if not with such funny stories? And my sister got a call out like, bro, where are you?
कहाँ हो तुम कहाँ हो तुम
It was a really long flight, but the flight was pretty much empty, so we got a lot of leg room and multiple seats. Also, Changi Airport is the most beautiful airport. The saddest part was like when we entered, it was raining in Singapore.
These are out and about in this lift that is making so much noise. My babies. My hair is looking must, huh? I hate this. We are in a new place where it is raining. बॉम्बे की बारिश को भाग के हम इधर आए हैं एंड यहाँ पे तो और ही बारिश पड़ रही है. Like it's drizzling right now, but upset. Gloomy weather makes me really sad. I need the sun to survive. Things are so cute here and very animated. And then we come to a mall. There's Nando's right there. And there are many other cute places. Like I showed you that shop for nails. It's called some Pinky Winky. We actually wanted to get a SIM from here. My sister had already purchased a SIM for us. And this is how the mall looks. It's very cute. We're at the famous Bugis Street. Let's see what the shopping all about. At the famous Mr. Coconut, trying out, I think, an avocado coconut shake. Here there are many stalls that are even serving food. You can get boba and whatnot. This is like literally at the entry of Bugis Street. We're stopped at Mr. Coconut. Let's have them procured. Let's see how do they taste.
Almost 6 months have passed, and I still miss this taste.
It's like fresh, natural ice cream, the tender coconut. It's exactly like that. It's amazing. That was the avocado one. 100% recommend. This is a cappuccino coconut milkshake. Amazing. Even better. This is like a crazy shopping place. You get like souvenirs and all these knickknacks. Taken this, it looks like a tomato, but he says idhar ka chiku and it's very sweet. So let's try it once we reach home.
Grocery shopping in different countries
We
is
picked
top
up
tier.
matcha cookie dough mochi from ABC Mart. By the way, kick-ass Mart. It has like everything you will need ever. Like really fancy chocolates, this, that, many things. So, give me a little. Very dusty. This street looks so cute. यहाँ पे तो only thing है 5 seconds में भाग के you have to cross. This is Fortune Center. Like देखो अभी भाग के 11 p.m. in Singapore, and this is the halat of the roads. Very clean, but very empty also. Just strolling. Going back to our hotel. It's been a hectic day one. We are still to have dinner. Everything shuts here very quick. So our hotel is like right here. We're just walking towards it. We're staying in a good area that has like things walkable. Hotel is not that great, it's so, but the whole point of it is it needs to be walkable. Hotels here in Singapore are very compact. Like they give you matchstick size hotels for some reason. And so that's about that. And then tomorrow is still a comparatively easier day. We don't have that much to do. We have one tour planned like that, but that starts at 3 p.m. Not that hectic. Just that it's raining a little, so it's kind of gloomy. But otherwise, really great vibes. There's cool bars also next to our place. Trying to find vegan options for mom also. Good morning from D2 in Singapore. and is having its own moment. We're having some bread free, as it's in my black coffee, but steaming hot. Needed this. It was a very good sleep. We all got really good sleep. What are we going to do? I'm so blank in the morning. We're going to Gardens by the Bay. That's the plan. Yeah, I'm enjoying. Finally, the sun is out. Looks so much better than yesterday when weekend was gloomy as hell. Hi guys! We are ready for day 2. We are going to Gardens by the Bay, and my sister has refused to come in my vlog because she's sitting like a schoolboy ready for her picnic. This is my outfit. ऐसा पूरा dress पहना है मैंने, like it's a quad set. Makeup is not makeuping today. I don't know why. But let's go. We're all set and ready to go. We are going to Little India. It's a 10-minute walk from where we're staying. So we'll just walk it up. Then the day revolves around us going to Gardens by the Bay. Oh my god, this is so pretty, this property. Discipline is unmatched. Everyone's standing in a queue to go for their turn. We have to go that side. So we'll also just stand in the queue and wait for our second. This is so funny. That we have entered Little India, as you can see. यहाँ पे vibe is very Indian, as we all know about it. Like South Indian food, chole bhature, this, that. Kabutar dikh rahe hain all of a sudden. Quite literally there are like places, temples, flowers and all sold. Mom is seeing भगवान के कपड़े हैं. We literally have Punjabi music playing. ये तो it's your local any city market. You know the songs. We have unicorn, snake, doggy shaped gold coins. I don't, Mom, would you eat such a samosa in Bombay? Looks very questionable.
AVG.
But these look nice.
Maybe taste wise it's good.
And this is the masala dosa, which looks really crispy and nice. Sambar is like proper bhaji. Let's take a bite of the dosa. I love dosa. Like, love.
After getting our Indian lunch in, we moved to
Here,
Gardens
this
by
is
the
the
Bay.
famous Gardens by the Bay. Looks humongous. One who's into like nature, you really like this. They have the whole plant information and all written, and there's so much greenery that you can just look at. Plus, of course, the air is also super fresh. Come to the top of the observatory and you can see entire Singapore from here.
Not lean.
This is the inside of what we all see. It's beautiful. Here you can, there's so much greenery all around. In full tourist mood with my backpack on. Actually, it's my sister's backpack. Gardens by the Bay, ek to you can't talk there loudly. Everything is very quiet in Singapore. Gardens by the Bay is a lot of walking, a lot of looking at green things and flowers and whatnot. So now we're going to the cloud forest. We got this ticket from Klook and it was 11,000 for 3 people. Not all the things are inclusive in it, but pretty much covers a lot of it. So, I mean, more than enough realistically.
This was a lot more refreshing to see compared to Bombay traffic.
Taking a break and we're sitting at Shake Shack for a bit because it's really pouring. We're at the Flower Dome. This is the entry.
For some odd reason, it was freezing here. Literally, like my face went pale.
These people have come to the bridal photo shoot.
This is so pretty. If you're someone who loves flowers and nature, you're gonna be obsessed.
The bridal shoot. I think this is a hub for all these brides.
These are so.
This literally felt like I had entered Jurassic World set or something because oh my god, my mind was blown. Did some drama for the content, like I wasn't really scared. And of course, so did my mom. Now you know where I get my acting skills from. It's all her. Out of everything, Jurassic World was literally the highlight of my day. You should definitely go check it out.
Right now we're in the Lost World. It's like a bridge thing. We're just walking around. This is the whole bridge there. So yeah, we're just walking around, checking the way, like everything looks from a little level up. And there's one really cool dinosaur that has like that long neck, and we're getting close to it, so I'm very excited to take a video with that. This is the one I was talking about, the Jurassic World. They have this whole thing where they're making the dinosaurs like from little scraps. The attention to detail, they are breathing. They're literally like, if you see their tummy, like look. Damn.
They also have this one installation in Jurassic World where you literally jump and there are flowers around you that just rise up.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
A couple of rules for you guys to follow for your own safety. First of all, just go past them. Go louder. Do you all want to meet Blue? All right. Without further ado, then, ladies and gents, boys and girls, we have Blue. Hey, take it easy, Blue. Sorry, sir, your flash is on. Hey, eyes on me. It's okay. Now, as you can see, Blue is a highly intelligent animal, so she knows how to follow my hand as I move from side to side. All right. Good job, Blue. Good girl. Now you've seen how well trained Blue is.
This time is the perfect time to just look at the skyline here. Everyone's just walking and jogging.
Also, you cannot miss the Gardens by the Bay light show, and I was just posing and getting some content before the show started. It was an amazing show and it was time to go back home. We had a very hectic day.
The metro station where people are just literally having dance practices. Maybe Blackpink was made like this too. And this is a very cool metro station.
And that was it for the day.
Day 3 in Singapore. We are ready for Universal. I've done like a little hairstyle. And this is my outfit. We are running very late. We have to, it's like 15 minutes from here, but we have to quickly go. And we booked a cab, like whatever, to come. And we woke up around 7:30. Quickly had breakfast, and like quickly everything was done very fast. And we're ready to leave now for Universal. I've gone to Universal like so many years ago. There are so many new rides that have come up. So really looking forward to it. I love amusement parks. I love amusement parks. Now we to Universal. मैं इतने दिनों बाद धूप निकली. Just look at my eyes. Wow. Very excited. What is this hand you've done in the bus? I'm excited. Early in the morning, just keep being quiet.
Literally, the child in me was so happy. I was going to Universal after years and all my memories were coming.
We have reached Universal. We've come to this place for my sister, Harry Potter and her obsession. We had the Wicked for Good premiere last night, like yesterday. They booked out the entire Universal. We have made this new thing, the Minion Land. So we're going there first to explore because that's not something we have done. We've done the other ones. So this entire thing is the Minion Land. We're in the queue since 20 minutes. For not even like an exciting ride, it's a very basic ride. Finally, after a very long wait on the ride. Ride के नाम पे पता नहीं क्या था,
Like I said, we're coming to Universal after a very long time. So they have this whole new building dedicated for Minions, like it was called the Minion Land. And they had a lot more fun activations, like you could just get inside. There was this movie on Gru and like the Minions and a lot of cool activities, and they also had like these 3-4 live minions that you could get like photos with and things like that. And then I went on this very kiddish but also like a fun ride where the DJ was the minion, and just it's a fun, like this is more for kids.
Fanta for the first time at Universal. Yum. It's better than the orange Fanta, 200%. Little change in my outfit for now. Upgrade in my outfit. Unfortunately, a lot of the rides are shut down because it's raining. Umbrellas are out.
As it was raining and a lot of the rides were shut, we just went to eat and just refreshed ourselves.
Cajun chicken. It is right next to the Shrek 4D movie. There's this place. I'm charging my phone, taking like a little breather because then it is raining outside, so a lot of the rides are shut. Sad truth of coming to Universal in the monsoon. Everything is shut except a few rides. The rains, we're sitting in a kid's roller coaster ride. I don't know if it's going to be a roller coaster or what, but it's pouring outside, so we're just gonna sit here. Wow.
Even though it was a kids ride, honestly turns out to be a very fun ride. It was with the Smurfs and the Muppets and all of that. Loved it, loved it.
Now we're going for Transformers, the ride. It has a 35-minute wait, but it is said to be the best 3D movie that they have here at Universal. So definitely go for it. There was a 50-minute wait before, so this is after this is 35 minutes, I think. The waiting area is also pretty cool, so not gonna feel very like what's going on. This is how the ride is. I'm very excited.
Behind you. Got it. Mission to go. Come on, let's get out.
We have from the Transformers entered into the mummy world. Love it.
Did a small little cute outfit change.
Suddenly come with Minnie Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Sorry.
Why are you Mickey?
Yeah, sorry. Micro Minnie Mouse.
Did a little change to we're sitting on this ride accelerator because हमें break दबाना आता है not accelerator. $5 spent. This is like a bite, literally one bite. Size wise it is very tiny for the money, but taste wise it's like a 10 on them. We are, I think this is New York, like the area that's called, because I can see like pizza, this, that. Very aesthetic.
Well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but
We saw the Steven Spielberg movie. I remember watching this even like years ago when I'd gone to Universal.
Sam is doing a photo shoot. Look at her holding the hand of a Muppet. Yeah, it's a Muppet, right?
And that was pretty much our entire day at Universal.
This is outside of Universal. It has like many shops and whatnot. There's a huge ice cream. I'm in Singapore right now, sitting outside a Coach shop, as you can see, having a iced matcha latte by a cafe that's Coach Cafe. I think they should definitely make this in Bombay too. It would like eat, because the price was pretty much like what you would get at Bougie, so why wouldn't I shop, like have a matcha from the Coach Cafe and then go to Bougie and have it. This is way more bougie actually. Let's see how it tastes. Let me just stir it up. It smells divine. It smells like proper matcha and it's like got foam. It's squirted it out. It literally is just, it's very creamy and frothy. Let's take a quick sip. This is what matcha should taste like. You can, like, it is very grassy and all of that for people who don't like it, like the taste, but for the ones who like it, will love it because it's very well graded matcha. The mall is also lit up so well. I think it's because of maybe the Wicked Good thing, the premiere, or also could be Asia's Universal, or also could be because of Christmas. Didi went for her Harry Potter. We made this trip because of this thing, and she's bought butterbeer for herself. Can you tell us
Which is
how
actually
is it?
caramel vanilla something.
You
but
like
it's
those
yum.
flavors?
It's yum. And my dream finally
How
got
was-
fulfilled.
How was it?
It was very.
Was
very
this the highlight of the trip?
No, matlab Universal is overall.
If you're a Potterhead like my sister is, you have to come here. She just made us try that butterbeer. It's actually very nice. It tastes like Alpenliebe but like in liquid form. And this is just the gifting area they've let us come in. Inside, I don't know how it was. I'll take some clips from her and attach it. But if you're a Potterhead, you should definitely try it. We have come to Fortune Center. My hair is kicked out. But anyways, Fortune Center 10 baj rahe yahan pe, and there's just a few shops open like for restaurant. And as you can see, I'm having dim sums because Wims loves dim sums. I love dim sums. Kal humne dekha tha yahan, but then we'll get more also because there are a few vegetarian options. But on a side note, all my research that I did, everyone was like, oh, take the MRT, which is great. You should take the MRT. It's more economical, it's faster in time and all. But for Sentosa, taking the MRT is not feasible because the MRT is so far from Sentosa. It's a good 20-minute walk. So and you have to shift like 2 lanes, like how in Bombay, if you were going from car to like another line, Harbour Line, Central Line, all of that. So you have to change 2 kind of lines, and it's so hectic. Why would you do that and waste your energy on it? Might as well just book a Tada. Now the thing with Grab is it's a bit more expensive. Tada is going to be a cheaper alternative, so you can try doing that. It was around, how much did we pay? $17? 17.5 while coming, and it was
17.20.
yeah, 17 to 18 pakad lo. That's 1200, I guess, right? It's $1,200, yeah. 1200, 1300 for a 20-minute ride, which is okay. उतना तो लग ही जाएगा honestly. First cabs में जा रहे हो तो, because यहाँ cab standard rate is that. MRT में जाओगे तो फिर it will be 200-300 per person, one line, and then another line will be another 200-300, so that's like 600 per person. We were 3 people, so we would anyways be ending up spending that much. This is an approximate number. I don't know exact numbers, but I'm just might as well go in and try it out because it's 20 minutes, you're back home, at least for where we were staying at, and my dim sums are here. Very excited for that. This is prawn. Good morning from day 4 in Singapore. We're going to check out the mall line. This is the outfit, and then we're going to the IMM mall. It is a very good shopping mall, so come with me for that. I am looking like Blair, and Didi is she's looking like what do you call this? Shut up.
This fringes that
Why
she
did you do
spoiled.
that?
You spoiled it.
You
yeah.
cut it before coming.
It was so
like
good.
a mad
It
person.
was looking so good. You
Shut up.
spoiled it.
Come to Kaya Toast. It's really famous here. They have this Kaya butter toast that we're gonna try. Toast looks very dead. Coffee looks nice. But this is like some bread butter jam of theirs.
Oh shit.
How much did we spend on this?
$6.20.
$6.20. Let's try the toast. Don't have much. This is literally butter mustard. They put a block on it. I don't have much expectation. bread butter jam vibes, but ours is better. See, is so good. इतने दिनों बाद मैंने इतनी strong chatak. It's the coffee that I like the one that stays your teeth, wakes you up. We missed the bus that we had to take, but now we're just walking it up because the second bus that we were going to take, the bus driver was so sweet. That lady got off her bus and she was explaining us how to go, which she didn't really need to, but very sweet of her. So decision we were walking because we saw so many places, like all these buzzing restaurants and everything. So when we were staying, we were thinking कि सब तो 9-10 बजे बंद हो जाता है, but that's not true. We found many cafes that are open till 2 a.m. So tonight's dinner will be fun. We're walking through a park. It's a war memorial park. फिर वो side mall line है, but good, fun. This is the statue that they have. What does it say? Something in their language which I really cannot understand. It does seem a little like India. There are quite a lot of Indians here, which is sad. Like I don't like saying that just because I'm men sleeping on the park, it does look like India, but that is something that people do in our parks and all. So not a cool thing, but I mean, ठीक है, सो रहा बंदा, सोने दो. We've taken the underpass to go to that side of the road. Pretty cool. Saw so many parks and it's such a cool area just to sit. We went through an underpass also. I've reached our destination to see this little lion. Looks so tiny, honestly. The skyline is beautiful. He has literally fallen inside the water just to get a photo. बेचारी डूबने वाली थी. डूबती नहीं ना? I hope not. Yeah. Close to this for the photo, but not going that close. You can see a boat going there. We have reached our destination, IMM Mall. It's a very famous mall. You can see all the brands. Let this bus pass. Guys, you cannot miss out this mall in Singapore if you want to shop. It's called the IMM Mall. Like, I'll tell you the amount of shit we got. We knew we were going to be shopping a lot and we got like a luggage bag for the same. Because itna leki ghumega kaun, sorry for that. I don't know if phone was going to fall from the... Yeah, so I'll show you in a bit. I'll do a haul also what all I got. But it's intense. Do not miss out. IMM. This one full bag. There are many things. Not to take boxes because they occupy a lot of space. This is a very fancy shoe, so I've just taken a box. But the Nike sneakers we got, we didn't take any box for it. We had literally shopped till we dropped. I think so. And the mall is about to shut now. We're walking towards our destination. We went to the hotel, put all our bags and everything. Now it's like 11:30 yahan. And just finding a good restaurant for us to eat some food, something that she can also eat. So yesterday we had amazing dim sums. So there were many other places right next to it, so we're gonna go check them out. Place that is giving us papad, literally, and mushroom paratha. And the most stupidest part is that we're so close to our hotel. And यहाँ के लोग, like यहाँ के देश वाले लोग, यहाँ की मैगी खा रहे हैं, which is so funny. It does a very exotic here, like full Chinese style Maggi. The cheese mushroom paratha. This is some gravy with it. This is tofu and this is chicken, and that's our lemon tea. We just took juice from their famous vending machine. ले तो सही. ऐसे कैसे लूँ हाथ से? और कैसे लेगी? Famous juice. This is so cool. I think Bombay should also have this for sure. उसमें से actually एक orange गया है and it's been a fresh thing. Here you get the straw. Here the juice comes out. And here it shows percentage of how much has it been. Day 4 or 5, we're running on a time roll. Have reached Skyline Luge. So from the cable car you go to the Luge. And this is like people are taking photos of the Skyline Luge. It is raining very heavily, so we are just exploring Sentosa in general, and then we'll eventually go for the ride if it stops raining, or else we'll have to try again tomorrow. Super sad because we were really looking forward to this ride. We have stopped here now, taking some photos. There's like some fog. The weather is too good, yaar. Juice from the vending machine. It's so fresh. Let's go. We are ready to go. इतना हम भाग के आए हैं यहाँ, looking so funny, but we run and come because वो randomly चालू हुआ था ride and we're like we have to go get this. मैंने उस दिन में I wore my helmet also the other way around and it was so embarrassing. This is how they take the luge thing back. Recommend you to take a raincoat if it's raining for this ride. 200%, it's too good. 100%, you have to try this out. This is amazing ride. This is peacock, wow. Dance kar le bas. Now we're going to Siloso Beach. It's right opposite the luge. Whenever I see a Mr. Coconut, it has to be stopped and taken. And the bill number is, it's my angel number. This is the mango one and my sister's taken Biscoff. We have come to Bugas Junction and it looks so, there's so many things going on. So cool, they have a Four Seasons thing. How cool. We have changed for the night. It is time to explore the city in the night time, not without an umbrella because it's pouring tonight. It was the last night in Singapore, so let's make the most out of it. We are at the metro station. I think our metro has come. Here we go. यहाँ काफी ठंडी भी है. It's unreal here.
As we had gone during Christmas time, the mall was literally decked up with so many Christmas trees and Christmas decor, and this was a beautiful mall. Then we also got some coffee at Bacha Coffee. Another recommendation, you should definitely try. It gives you a very luxe coffee experience. Most of the trips, usually my sister and I end up having the most romantic last day during a trip, so this is just us feeling it.
It's the fanciest coffee I've had in my life and it's so yummy.
So a little taste test.
This coffee.
Yum. Very hazelnut. It is thoda citrusy also, like there are little notes of it.
Mall has my heart. I'm so sad we just got a few hours here. There was a boat that you could just sit on and go all the way. There was that crazy fountain I showed you all. We had amazing coffee. Amazing coffee. It was a very good experience. Now we're going to another place as well to see like the little nightlife of Singapore, and then we have to pack because tomorrow we have to go to the airport early so we can explore the airport also. Of course, it's Changi Airport. It's a very nice airport. So we have to explore that as well. These boats, they're all set up Christmassy. So cute. Loving the Christmas vibes. Love it. Yahan, if you notice, mostly sab left side खड़े रहते हैं because right से लोगों को भागने वाले लोग खड़े रहते हैं. We've officially come to Clarke Quay. Like we're walking towards it. It's on that side. Really cool, man. I'm so glad we did this. I loved traveling in the MRT here. It's such an experience. You have to definitely try it. You don't need either their card, the EasyLink card. If you have a MasterCard or a Visa card which has tapless on it and like all limitations, have you managed it, you can use it and it's really good. There are multiple cards that don't even have a markup fee or anything. So 200% try it. It's so convenient. Like our hotel was right next to the MRT station,
So we too loved it. The karaoke bar also. Like this is so cool and trippy.
And whoever said Singapore is safe, not so much. That Red Bull t-shirt guy just took our video.
This dude. And we got him and he started walking off.
Idiot. This is so pretty. It has a beautiful bridge connecting both the sides. Love it.
Wow, this is what I wanted to go for.
Amazing, amazing pizza is our dinner. Wild truffle mushroom pizza. Last dinner here, and with an amazing view and great company. And of course, me too. The true joy to listen to Punjabi music.
Basically, a lot of club hopping has happened. There was a random bungee also here.
Last night in Singapore, we have just for the fun of it decided to just walk back home. It's just 15 minutes. The weather is really nice. We're at Fort Canning Park. You can see like next to it. That's the Fort Canning Park. Anyways, the weather is really nice. My sister is right there taking photos. But yeah, we're just planning to walk back home. Experience and soak in the city for one last time before we leave. Guys, we were told Singapore is very safe, this, that, and us bahane दीदियों ने निकल गए हैं. And trust me, we've traveled in Vietnam also, been at like out and about 2 a.m. whatever. यहाँ पे in one day we had 3 men follow us, literally. Abhi also we were just walking, and I noticed. Vietnam
Now also abhi ek cycle pass ki hamare, like that's also so scared. We're really scared right now. We just want to reach home. Anyways, point was now also there was one man, very brisk walking behind us, and I noticed she was taking photos behind. I noticed and I was like, listen, let this guy pass. And he realized that we stopped because we found him shady. So he just came and he was like, oh, do you have a lighter? And then of course he said no, and then he went back. Like he was brisk walking so fast, he wouldn't do that for a lighter, right? This and that Red Bull guy I showed you all. And then even in the mall, there was this other guy.
Mall was horrible.
Mall too, oh my god.
Followed us everywhere.
Very, very, very bad. Yeah. So I don't know, like as for safety, how safe it is.
Also could be like a seasonal thing because like I told you,
I don't think men being creep is a seasonal thing. Please.
No.
In Singapore today we're checking out already. You can see the bags have been packed and have doubled now. All of a sudden we bought a lot of stuff. I have a new backpack also. This is my outfit. I'm wearing shorts, niche, and my sneakers. I'm gonna change once we are gonna get on the flight. I'll wear pants because it's gonna be shit cold. And right now we're just gonna explore the airport. Joe Changi has a lot of things to do, so come with me. Just checking out today from Singapore. Just ran all the way across the road to get 1 lakh sugarcane juice. But वो juice में वाली machine, vending machine ने मेरे पैसे ले लिए. Juice था नहीं उसमें, गन्ना ही नहीं था. And my cab is here, so I've lost $2 today. Yeah, 140 rupees has gone down a vending machine.
although इनको देख के भी extra.
हमें इतनी bags थी, तो we booked like a large car, which we thought would have been like an Innova type of a car. I got a bus.
So cool.
We literally got a bus. This is the famous waterfall. I think this is the tallest waterfall, Indo waterfall, 3D digital thing. Baggage for Indigo flight starts 3 hours prior. We've come a little earlier also, so we're just going to drop our bags and then roam around. So for the Jewel, Sky Bridge is right there, that place. It's a 500-meter walk. So यहाँ से you just need to come to T2 3rd level, just walk. Because the baggage was like around 100 SGD. Baggage was like 100 SGD, which is a lot, and we technically need to keep our bags here just for like 1.5 hours because 3:30 our check-in starts. But there's a lot to do at T3 also, so we'll come around 4ish because 5:40 tak you have to. It's a hard limit. You have to
check in your bags by 5:40. And we also have the tax refund and just things to explore at T3. You can't take your trolley bags, so if you have a lot of them, you have to take the SkyTrain, which is on level 2.
Game room also here. This is so cool. This airport is so cool.
This is their SkyTrain. We have to go to T1 to go to Jewel. You can see it here. T1, Jewel, we're at T2. Just a simple thing. We are in the SkyTrain now, heading to T1, Jewel. Only if you could see what I am seeing right now, I am mesmerized. It's your famous waterfall. So adorable. They have this for the cruise line. Look at Minnie. We are waiting for a coffee and a croissant at Arabica. I've seen this a lot. Got the coffee. This coffee is divine. It tastes like blue Tokaram iced mocha.
How cute.
It's at Solace Studios. You can get these done. Such a pretty airport. Every corner there's something so cute that you can photograph.
Me also.
Yeah, with those two dragonflies.
We are at T2. We had come also from there, that side. And that is how it looks. It comes from there only. The arrival area. Because I remember seeing this.
The GST was very easy. You get an option to get it in USD or SGD. Opt for USD if you're not coming back to Singapore anytime soon. Then SGD is pretty pointless. Of course, the conversion and all is there. So easy. You just need to give them the passport. They'll give it to you. That's it. And then while check-in, there's this thing where you have to scan your passport and everything's just on your passport, so it's very easy to do.
Mind you, this is still the airport. We are very much inside the airport and they have a Sansta garden here. How cool.
There are so many things to do at this airport. I 100% recommend coming a little early, spending the day here, taking an extra day just to spend things here, like do things here. Lounge literally has nail services. There is room access, there's a massage, there's shower, there's everything. I mean, you can spend the whole day in the lounge.
I've got a little robot to make my drink. How cool. He's making it. All you have to do is like put the detail of what you want, scan a QR code. You can register on this already. That's so cool. And then he fills up whatever alcohol you can take from top. He just shook the thing also like a proper bartender. His name is Tony. Thank you, Tony. Cheers.
Singapore has been extremely memorable. It was a girls' trip that we three took after a very, very long time. Or actually the first girls' trip that we took, and honestly, one for the books, gonna remember this. And we're back to Bombay.